Good morning and welcome back to Darwin. We've come for a walk down to Nightcliff Beach with this monsoon hanging around and some high tides. Probably about a 7.3 metre tide at the moment. So this does create a little bit of swell and brings the surfers out. Still a bit of danger with the box jellyfish. Crocodiles don't seem to like these conditions, so low risk there and low risk with the sharks. So people are just starting to head out as the tide is coming in. Got to be careful, there's quite a few rocks, jagged rocks underneath though. Okay, we've probably got about 20 odd people in the water trying to catch a wave at the moment. The wind has picked up, it's raining. Yeah, pretty tough conditions, but people like to get out and try and have a little bit of fun. Got some kite surfers here just down there, Kite Corner, pretty close to the Rapid Creek mouth.
An ocean, a cave, a dream that no one could save, a shelter, a whole act, a light that died with the night. You and I, we got our differences, yeah. Monsoon rain and chest pain, what's the plan? Heavy breathing, stay insane. Grab my hand. Everything is grey inside this narrow maze. Space